What's the meaning of blackguard? Blackguard. Blackguard.
Blackguard. Blackguard. The word blackguard is used to describe someone who is dishonorable or morally corrupt. It can be used as both a noun and a verb, with the noun referring to a person who behaves in an unprincipled or contemptible way, and the verb meaning to verbally abuse or insult someone in a vulgar or offensive manner. The origins of the word can be traced back to the 16th century, where it was used to describe a menial servant who wore a black hood. Over time, the term evolved to take on its modern meaning of a contemptible individual, and is still used today in both formal and informal situations.